Struggling with scattered tenant data? Is your property management team bogged down by disorganized communications, manual processes, and missed deadlines? In today's fast-paced environment, juggling tenant details, lease terms, maintenance requests, and compliance checks can feel overwhelming. Traditional methods leave you frustrated and efficiency suffers. Now imagine a revolutionary approach. The Tenant Management Hub, built on Microsoft's Power Platform and SharePoint, consolidates all your tenant and lease data in one centralized location. It automates renewals, reminders, and compliance checks while tracking critical communications and maintenance requests. With automated lease expiry alerts set for 90, 60, and 30-day notifications, you'll never miss a crucial update. Mobile accessibility ensures your team remains connected even on the go. And with AI enhancements such as a Copilot-powered tenant Q&A assistant, lease summary generator, and sentiment tracker, actionable insights are always at your fingertips. This powerful integration drives efficiency and clarity, letting you focus on value-added activities while empowering proactive decision-making every day. Say goodbye to manual chaos and welcome a new era in property management. Streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and empower your team with intelligent automation and smart data integration. Embrace the future. Transform your property management today. Let HingePoint help with your automation and AI initiative. We will collaborate with your team to guide the implementation of a custom AI solution tailored to your data and specific business needs. HingePoint empowers organizations to unlock the full potential of Microsoft technologies, including SharePoint, Power Platform, Copilot Studio, and Microsoft Teams, to drive operational efficiency, collaboration, and data-informed decision-making. With a focus on scalable architecture and best practices, we design and implement tailored solutions that align with each client's unique business goals. Having partnered with over 300 companies nationwide, HingePoint delivers enterprise-grade results across a wide range of industries and business sizes, from agile startups to large-scale enterprises.